Hello students, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. So here already we are familiar with linear equations, but here in this chapter we are using linear equation along with two variables. Two variables means there is one general form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here we using the two variables, those are x and y. You may take other alphabets also. Okay, here x and y are two variables and a and b and c are our coefficients, or you can say numerical coefficients. So here a, b, c you may get the numbers and x and y are the variables. So this is our general form for the linear equations in two variables. Now solving the equations. What is the meaning of solving the equation? It is nothing but finding the value of x and y in that equation. Concept says pair of linear equations. Pair means you will get at least two equations. So those two equations we have to solve here. So by the methods here, first one is graphical method, second one is algebraic method. So in graphical method we have to plot the graph along with the points x and y. Okay, so there we will get the answer for the equations, or else you can say them as solution for the equations. And in algebraic method we will get three methods. Those are substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Okay, for this academic year 2020 and 21 they reduced these two concepts. Those are substitution as well as cross multiplication. Okay, for your knowledge purpose you should go through these methods. You will get to understand easily the pair of linear equations. And the last concept, that is reducing to a pair of linear equation. So they will give the situations. Okay, we have to represent them in the linear equations. Okay, afterwards we have to solve them step by step to get the x and y values. So now first we will discuss about the graphical method, how to solve the graphical method. So in graphical method they will give directly two equations, or else they will give the situation which you have to write the linear equations. So here in your textbook one example they given, first example, that is about Akila. A girl, Akila, went a fair in her village. She wanted to enjoy rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. Hoopla means the throwing rings. The number of times she played hoopla is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. So if each ride cost 3 rupees and a game of hoopla cost 4 rupees, how would you find out the number of rides she had and how many times she played hoopla provided she spent 20 rupees? Okay, so here Akila named girl is there. She gone to fair means jatre. Okay, so she gone to play some games. The first game is riding the giants as well as playing the hoopla. Okay, see, for these two games we should write the number of rides as well as number of playing game. Okay, so number of times she played hoopla is half the number of rides she had the giant wheel. Okay, so let rides on giant wheel. Okay, so let be x. How many rides she played? She rides x numbers. Okay, and what about the hoopla? The number of times. So rides are x and numbers of players played by hoopla is y. Okay, so now according to the condition write the equation. Okay, so the given condition is the number of times she played hoopla means y is equal to half the number of rides. Half the number of rides means 1 by 2 of x. Half means 1 by 2 of total rides, which are those x. So we will get here y equal to 1 by 2 x. This is our first equation. Second equation is about the amount. See how much she giving the Each ride she giving the 3 rupees for the one ride. So how many rides are there? X rides. It means 3 into X rupees plus. For each game of hoopla playing for every time how much she have to pay? 4 rupees. So how many times? Y times. So it means 4 into Y. Totally how much she spent? She spent 20 rupees. Okay, so 3x plus 4y gives us 20 rupees. This is our second equation. Okay, now using these two equations, we have to solve the equation. We have to solve this problem with graphical method. How to do? For this, already you are familiar. In the 9th class, you plotted the graph according to the equations. So here also for y and x, you should find the few answers. Those are write it in solution table and plot the graph. So now let's take first one. Y equal to 1 by 2 x is there. Okay. For this, take one solution table. Solution table means the writing the x and y values. So I'll take x and y. So let's see. X equal to 2. Okay. So then y equal to 1 by 2 into x. So what is x? X is 2. So I'll write here 2 into 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So our y is 1. So when x is 2, y is 1. So like that, take another one, take here 6. X equal to 6. So let's write y equal to 1 by 2 into 6. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 3s are. So we got here 3. So x is 6, y is 3. This is our one solution table. So like this, do the solution table for the second one. That is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. Okay, so 3x plus, so I take the plus 4y to right side, it becomes minus 20 minus 4y. So 3x equal to 20 minus 4y is there. So if I take 3 to right side, it becomes divisible. So divided by 3. Now what you have to take the numbers? You have to take the numbers whenever you subtract from 20, it should be divisible by 3. Okay, for your convenience. Okay, so here I will take 0.5. Why? If I multiply 0.5 with 4, we will get here 2. Okay, 2 where 20 minus 2, what we will get? We will get here 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So like this, orally you first calculate in your mind and next proceed. So let's take y equal to 0.5. Okay, so if I take 0.5, then x equal to 20 minus 4 into 0.5 divided by 3. So here 20 minus 4 into 0.5, what we will get? We will get here 2 divided by 3. So it will be 18 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 6 are. So our x value will be 6. When y is 0.5. So x, y. When y is 0.5, x will be 6. Okay, take another one solution. Let's take y equal to 2. So x equal to 20 minus 4 into 2 divided by 3. So 20 minus 4 2s are 8 divided by 3. So here x equal to 12 by 3. Why? 20 minus 8 will be 12 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 4s are. So x equal to 4. When y is 2, x is 4. So this is our and the solution for the second equation. So here also 2 solutions, here also 2 solutions are there. Now using these 2 solution table, we have to plot the graph. Now plotting the graph, so you have to do it in your graph paper. First x axis and y axis. It is normally you know it. Okay. So write the numbers. So almost here we are getting positive. Okay, so we have to concentrate on the first quadrant, that is plus and plus. Okay, and you have to write the scale also. Don't forget to write this one. Most you should write the scale. What is the scale? In x-axis, we get every 1 centimeter we get 1 unit, and in y-axis, every 1 centimeter we are getting here 1 unit. Okay, it's depend on the units what you are taking here. So here for every 1 centimeter I am taking 1 unit. First 2. X is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. So here we will get the point. So 2 and 1. So first give the preference for the x. So first always write the x value. So that is 2 and y is 1. The point is here. Next, x is 6, y is 3. X is 6, y is 3. So if I take the points, they will go inside here. 1 and 6. Sorry, 6 and 3. Now join those points. Okay, so here we will get, and if you extend this, it will cross to the origin, that is 0 to 0. Now we got the first line, so give the name. What is this? Y equal to x by 2, or else y equal to 1 by 2x. This is the equation. Okay, write the equation also. Now coming to the second one. X is 6, y is 0.5. So 0.5 means before 1, after 0, and here 6. So here our point. Okay, next, x is 4, y is 2. X is 2 and y is 4. So on the before line, so here you will get. So join them. Okay, so like that we will get the intersecting lines. What are those lines? Intersecting lines. Where those are intersecting, that is our answer. That is 4, 2. At the end you have to write. If it is a word problem, you have to conclude this the answer. Number of triads on the giant wheel are 4, because we took the x there. So here x value is 4. So now number of times hoopla played. So there we took y. So here y answer is 2. So number of times hoopla played are 2, and number of rides on giant wheel are 4. Okay, this is our answer. Like this we have to solve. So but normally in the board exam they will give the 2 equations. For those 2 equations you have to plot the graph. Let's do another one example on that one. In recently supplementary exam they given one question like this. The find the solution of following pair of linear equations by the graphical method. Okay, they only given 2 pair of linear equations. For those you have to plot the graph and find the solution. Okay, so usually they will give the intersecting lines only. So wherever they will intersect, that is your solution for the given equations. Okay, so for the given equations, first you write down the solution table. Okay, so again now first for the first one, 2x plus y equal to 8 they given. So let's write one solution table. Okay, taking the x and y values. Okay, so minimum 2 solutions you have to write. So let's take 2x equal to 8 minus y, or else x equal to 8 minus y divided by 2. Okay, so now you have to take the value, whatever value you will take, you have to subtract it from the 8. So whenever you will subtract, that value should be divisible by 2. Why I am taking divisible by 2 only? So for plotting the graph it will be easy for you. Taking y equal to 4, so x equal to 8 minus 4 divided by 2. So 8 minus 4, it will be 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So here we have 2 when y equal to 4. So when y equal to 4, x is 2. Next again let's take y equal to 6. So x equal to 8 minus 6 divided by 2. So it will be 2 by 2 So here 2 ones are 2 ones are. So x equal to 1 when y is 6 and x is 1. So this is our first solution table. So same thing do for the next one also. So here x plus y equal to 5. So x equal to 5 minus 5. So it is very easy, whatever you can take here. So let's take y equal to 2. So then x equal to 5 minus 2. Here we will get 3. Okay. So next y equal to take 3. Then x equal to 5 minus 3. It will be 2. Okay. So for this write the solution table. X value, y value. So when y is 2, x is 3. When y is 3, x is 2. So this is our solution table for the second equation. Now plotting the graphs for the first solution. X equal to 2, y equal to 4. So here x is 2, y is 4. So here we will get the point. Okay. Next x is 1, y is 6. X is 1, y is 6. So here you get the point. So draw a line. Okay. Now next x is 3. Okay. Y is 2. So here we will get the point. X is 3, y is 2. Okay. Next x is 2, y is 3. X is 2, y is 3. So another point here we get. So this is our one line. Okay. Another one line comes like this. Understood? So like this here at the point 3 and 2 we will get the intersecting lines. That is our solution. Okay. So like this we will get the answer. Before solving the exercise, first we should know how the lines will comes on graph. Okay. So therefore I am giving the name nature of the lines on the graph. Okay. Just we solve two examples. Those are we getting intersecting lines. Okay. If you go through the another two examples, you may get coincident or else parallel also. Okay. Coincident means overlapping one line on another line. Okay. So there you will get the coincident lines. Next we will get the parallel. Okay. How the parallel lines will be? The straight lines with equal distance. So here we will get the coincident lines and here we will get the parallel lines. Okay. So for the solution of the equations we should get the intersecting lines. Okay. Then only we will get the solution. So here we will get the unique solution. Okay. For this we can say unique solution. Unique solution. Because only at one point both are lines intersecting. And here coincident infinitely. Infinite many solutions you can say. In parallel lines we will not get the solution. So that's why no solution. Understood? So here unique means one solution, and here coincident lines gives us many solutions. That's why you can say infinite many solutions. And here there is no solution because here lines are not intersecting because they are parallel. Parallel lines are never intersect. That's why there is no solution for our equation. Exercise 3.1. So they given here three situations. For those three situations you have to write the linear equations and you have to write the solution table. Afterwards you have to plot the graph. Okay. So first step I will solve here means how to represent the linear equation. The writing the solution table and graph is for your practice. You have to write the solution table and the plot the graph. Okay. So first question. Here they given Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Okay, so isn't it interesting? Okay, so like this interesting questions you will get in this chapter. Now represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Algebraically means writing the linear equations. Graphically means you have to plot the graph to find the answer. Okay, so first these three questions, there is no exact answers you will get, but you have to plot the graphs. Okay, for first one he give. So here Aftab is there and his daughter is there. So let's Aftab is B X. Okay, so daughter is B Y. Okay, so use the word left. Aftab is B X, daughter is B Y. Now coming to the condition, what is it? 7 years ago. Okay, first one is 7 years ago. So 7 years ago means the present is X. Okay, in that you have to minus the 7. So 7 years ago means X minus 7. Okay, he will tell to his daughter, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay, so he is 7 times, then his daughter. It means if her age is y minus 7, so to multiply this for the 7 times, then you will get the his age. So 7 times. Okay, so x minus 7. Now solve this one. 7 into y, 7y minus 7 7s are 49. Okay, so take x equal to, take 7y to right side, it becomes minus 49. So minus becomes plus 7. So here you will get x equal to 7y minus 42. This is our first equation. Okay, like this for the second condition. What is he given? 3 years from now means next forward. 3 years after. 3 years after. Okay, it means x plus 3 equal to y plus 3. How many times? 3 times. So you have to multiply with 3 to his daughter age. So here you will get x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. Why? 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 3, 9. So now take the 3 that side, 3y plus 9 minus 3. So here we will get x equal to 3y plus 6. This is our second equation. Okay, now we got first equation and second equation. So for this you have to write the solution table and plot the graph. Now second question, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for 3,900 rupees. Later she buys another bat and 2 more. So try to change it in your textbook. It is 2 more balls. Okay, 2 more balls of the same kind of amount for 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Okay, so first one, 3 bats and 6 balls. So it's totally about bat and balls. Let's take cost of bat, single bat be x rupees, cost of a single ball be y rupees. Okay, as per the first condition, how many bats and how many balls? 3 bats means 3 into x plus how many balls? 6 balls, 6 into y. How much paying? 3,900 rupees they paying. Okay, this is our first equation. Now the second equation, a bat means only x rupees plus 2 more balls. Okay, in your textbook it is printed wrong, so it is 2 more balls. So it will be 2y. How much they are paying? 1,300 rupees. This is our second equation. So for these 2 equations, write the solution table and plot the graph. Now coming to the third question, the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found 1160 rupees. After a month, cost of 4 kg apple and 2 kg grapes for 300 rupees. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. So here apple and grapes are there. Okay, cost of 1 kg apple be X rupees, and cost of 1 kg grapes be Y rupees. Okay, as per the first condition, 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes. So 2 kg apples means 2x plus 1 kg grapes. So means 1y equal to how much they found? They found 160 rupees. Okay, after a month, 4 kg apples means 4x plus and 2 kg grapes means 2y. How much they found amount? 300 rupees. Okay, here we got two equations. For these two equations, write the solution table and plot the graph. So now finding the nature of lines by using the coefficients. So in the starting I told the general form of the linear equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. For it is one equation. If they gives two pair means pair means two equations, how to write the coefficients? If they gives another linear equation, that time we have to give it as a1 b1 c1 like that, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay, so like this you have to represent the both linear equations. Now how to identify they are intersecting, or parallel, or coincident? Okay, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can say them they are intersecting lines. Okay, so if they are intersect, how many possible solutions? Only one solution, that is unique solution. So we will get only one solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then you can say they are coincident lines. Okay, so they having the solutions infinitely, many solutions. Okay, so the last one is, here b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and at the last, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So these are parallel lines. If we get the parallel lines means solutions are no solutions. No solution we will get. Okay, we will get the solution. So like this you will get the three graphs. Okay guys, 3.2. Okay, the first question they given here. The given situation you have to represent them in linear equation and solve graphically. Okay, so I will give the equations and you have to do it by using the graphs. 10 students of the class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, so for the first question. Okay, let number of boys be x. Okay, and number of girls be y. Okay, total how many students are there? 10 students are there. So let's write x plus y equal to 10. This is our first equation. Okay, so they will give the situation, you have to represent like this. and the condition, if the number of girls is 4 more than the boys, means girls are more than boys, it means girls means y is equal to how much more? 4 more than the boys are x, it means y equal to 4 plus x. So this is our second equation. Okay, so write down the solution table for these two equations and plot the graph. The second question, 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of the 1 pen. Okay, cost of 1 pencil. Cost of 1 pencil. 1 pencil. Pencil be X rupees. Cost of 1 pen be Y rupees. Okay, so now as per condition, 5 pencil, 7 pen. 5 pencil means 5 into X plus 7 pen means 7 into Y. How much it costs? 50 rupees. This is our first equation. Second equation, 7 pencil means 7x plus 5 pens means 5y. How much it costs? 46 rupees. So this is our second equation. Okay, so using these two equations, write down the solution table. Again, plot the graph. At the end, what you have to write? You have to write the cost of 1 pencil. Whatever x value you are getting, that is your cost of pencil, and whatever the y value you are getting, that is the cost of pen. Understood? So now plot the graph. Second question, they given pair of linear equations. You have to check they are intersecting or coincident or parallel. How to do? First you have to take the ratio of the coefficients. What are the coefficients? A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So let's take A1. What is A1? Here 5. What is B1? B1 is -4. C1 is 8. Why I took here -4? Here 4 is along with the minus. That's why I am taking B1 equal to -4. Next, A2 that is 7. B2 that is 6. C2 equal to -9. Okay, so now check it. A1 by A2. What is that? 5 by 7. B1 by B2 that is -4 by 6. So is it possible to divide them? Yes. 2s are 3s are. So it will be -2 by 3. Okay, so but here we are not getting both are equal, so that is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So which type of lines these are? These are intersecting lines. So like that you have to do for the next two problems. So along with the nature of lines, we should know about the consistent and inconsistent thing. Okay, whenever we are getting the intersecting lines and coincident lines, those pair of linear equations are consistent. Okay, so whenever we are getting the parallel lines, those are inconsistent pair of linear equations. Okay, so like this we have to classify them consistent as well as inconsistent. In third question, here we have to write them as which are consistent and which are inconsistent. When we will get the consistent? We will get the consistent when lines are intersecting or coincident. When we will get the inconsistent? When lines are parallel. Okay, so let's take here first one. So they given 3xy equal to 7. So directly writing A1 by A2. What is that A1 by A2? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. B1 by B2. So what is B1 by B2? 2 by -3. Okay, and C1 by C2 which are here 5 by 7. Okay, you can take inside also minus 5 by minus 7 you will get it. Okay, so here we are not getting A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. We are not getting the equal ratio. So they are not equal. So when not equal, when they are intersecting lines, then we can see them as consistent pair of linear equations. So like that you have to write the ratios and compare them. So if they are intersecting and if they are coincident, then you can see them as consistent. If they are parallel, then you can see them as inconsistent pair of linear equations. So now substitution method of algebraically. Okay, how to do this substitution method? Just we have to take any one value of x or y and substituting in the another equation. So here they given, directly I am going to the exercise. In exercise, in first question they given two equations. Okay, so I will take the second equation. So let's give the name first equation, second equation. From 2, equation number 2. So x minus y equal to 4 is there. So I'll take x on left side and I'll take the y on right side. So y becomes plus, that is 4 plus y. So now here we are getting the x value in terms of y, that is 4 plus y. Substitute x value in equation number 1. Equation number 1. Okay, what is equation number 1? That is x plus y equal to 14. So what is x? X means 4 plus y. 4 plus y. Again here plus y is also there. So write it same. That is equal to 4. 14. So 4 I will take the right side, it becomes minus. Here y plus y, that is 2y equal to 14 minus 4. Here 2 is multiplying 2 into y. So if I take to right side, it becomes divisible. So it will be 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So y equal to 5. Use this y in any one equation. Any equation you can substitute. So substituting equation 2. So here x minus y equal to 4 is there. So what is the y value? Y is 5 equal to 4. If I take minus 5 to right side, it becomes plus. So it will be 4 plus 5. So x equal to 4 plus 5, 9. So y is 5, x is 9. This is our answer by the substitution method. Here in the second question, they given s minus t equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. Okay, already first one is in linear equation. So let's take it as equation number 1. But the second equation is not in linear. Okay, it is in representing the fractions. Okay, so first we make it into linear equation. So 3 is here 2 is there at the denominator. Make it in LCMs. So 3 and 2 LCM will be 6. 3 how much are? 3 2s are. 2 3s are. So it will be 2s plus 3t equal to 6. If I take 6 to right side, it becomes multiplication with the another 6. So here we will get 2s plus 3t equal to 6 6 are 36. This is our equation number 2. Okay, so equation number 1 is very simple. So I will take it the s value here. S minus t equal to 3. Here you write it from 1. From equation number 1. Okay, so s equal to 3 plus t. Okay, plus t. Substitute in equation number 2. Okay, so 2s is there. So in place of s, I will write 3 plus t plus 3t equal to 36. So multiply it. 2 3s are 6. 2 into t, 2t plus 3t equal to 36. Take 6 to right side. First you plus this through. 2t plus 3t, 5t equal to 36 minus 6. So 5t equal to 36 minus 6, it will be 30. T equal to 30 by 5. So here it is multiplying. If you take to right side, it becomes
divisible. So 5 ones are 5 6 are. So t equal to 6. So this is our t value.
Okay, so now this t value substitute in the any one equation.
So substitute in the first equation. Substitute.
So t equal to 6. So s minus 6 equal to 3. So then s equal to 3. If I take to right side, it becomes plus. So plus 6. So here s equal to 3 plus 6 9. So s equal to 9. T equal to 6. This is our solution. The rest problems for your practice. Okay. And second question, they given two equation along with and the third equation they given. So where you will get the m value by using y value. For y value, what you have to do? First you have to solve the two equations. Those they given. Okay, another one equation they given, y equal to mx plus 3. See here, y is also there, x is also there. So for these two, we have to first solve these two equations. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is there. Let's take equation 1 and equation number 2. So from 1, 2x plus 3y equal to 11. So 2x equal to 11 minus 3y, x equal to 11 minus 3y whole divided by 2. Okay, taking 2 to right side, it becomes divisible. So now substitute in the second equation. Substitute in equation number 2. Okay, so 2x is there. In place of x, I write 11 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 4y equal to minus 24. Okay, so 2 get cancelled. What left? 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 24. Okay, so take 11 that side. So here 3y plus 4y will be 7y equal to minus 24 minus 11. Okay, minus we have to add it and put the bigger sign. That is 24 plus 11, it will be 35. Which 35? Minus 35. 7y. Which 7y? This is minus 12. Here minus is there at the bigger side. So y equal to minus 35 divided by minus 7. Minus get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 5s are. So y equal to 5. This is our y value. Okay, now substitute this y value in any one equation. Okay, so afterwards I will write this one. Substitute equation number 1. So 2x plus 3, y means how much? 5 equal to 11. So 2x equal to 11 minus 15. So where it came? 15. 15 means 3 into 5. So that is 3 5s are 15. If I take to the right side, it becomes minus. So here x equal to minus 4 by 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x equal to minus 2. Now we got y equal to 5, x equal to minus 2. So another one equation is there. What is that? Y equal to mx plus 3 is there. Okay, so substitute here y value, that is 5 m into minus 2 plus 3. If I take 3 this side, it becomes minus equal to m minus 2. Why I am writing it in bracket? Because it is in negative. Okay, so 5 minus 3, here we will get 2 equal to m into minus 2. If I take minus 2 this side, m equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So m equal to, here we will get minus 1. This is our answer. M equal to minus 1. So in third main, they given word problems. So you have to represent them in the linear equation. Afterwards, solve by them substitution method. Okay, first one, the difference between two numbers is 26 and the number is 3 times the other. Find them. Okay, let the two numbers, let x and y. Okay, the first condition, the difference between two numbers is 26. It means x minus y equal to 26. Okay, next, one number is 3 times the other. So if I take x as one number, and the number will be how much times? 3 times. X equal to 3y. Okay, so why I am taking x only? Because here from x only I subtract the y. It means y is smaller, x is bigger. So like this you have to take x equal to 3y. Okay, simple thing. See here equation number 1 and equation number 2. So here we got the value of x equal to 3y. Substitute it in the equation number 1. Value in equation number 1. Okay, so equation number 1 what says? X minus y equal to 26. So x means 3y minus y equal to 26. X plus I am writing 3y. 3y minus y, it will be 2y equal to 26. So y equal to 26 by 2. 2 ones are 2 13s are. So y equal to 13. So if y is 13, then x equal to, x is what? 3y. 3y means 3 into 13. So x equal to 3 13s are 39. So x value is 39. So y is 13, x is 39. Okay, this is our answer. Now, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So what is this supplementary angles? When if you add two angles, if you get 180, then those two angles you can say as supplementary angles. So let's take the angles. Let angles be X and Y. Okay, so if you add them, you will get the 180. Why? Both are supplementary. This is now our first equation. So what they say, the larger of the two supplementary, larger, let's take x as our larger, is how much exceeds by the smaller by 18 degrees. Means it is more 18 degrees than the y. It means if you add 18 to the y, you will get the x. This is our equation number 2. So again same as per the first equation. So question. Okay, second is question is also easy. So substitute this x value in first equation number 1. Equation number 1. So substitute it, x value. X plus y is there equal to 180 is there. So what is x? X is y plus 18 plus y equal to 180. Why? X plus I am writing y plus 18 and y is there same. So y plus y it is 2y equal to 118 minus 180 minus 18. Okay, so 180 minus 18, how much you will get? 162. So y is here. If I take 2 that side, it becomes divisible. So 2 ones are 2, 8s are 2 ones are. So y equal to 81. So now we got y equal to 81. Then what about the x? X equal to y plus 18 is there at the second equation. So for the y, substitute the 81 plus 18. So here you will get 18 plus 81. Here we will get 99. So x value is 99 degree. So our required angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. So the third one is for your practice, and the fourth one. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charges together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105 rupees, and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155 rupees. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? Okay, so let the fixed charge be x and the charge per kilometer be y. So first, how much kilometer he travel? 10 kilometer means fixed charge is x is there, and 10 kilometer he traveling means 10 into per kilometer means 10 into y, that is 10y equal to how much he paid? 105. Okay, and the second journey, how much travel? 15 km. It means x is same plus 15 km means 15 into y. How much he paid? 155. Okay, so now by solving these two with the substitution method, we will get the x and y value. So let's take from equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from 1. So x plus 10y equal to 105. So x equal to 105 minus 10y. Okay, substitute in the equation number 2. What is 2? X plus 15y equal to 155. Okay, what is x? X is 105 minus 10y plus 15y equal to 155. Okay, so 105 take to the right side here, minus 10y plus 15. It means minus is there, here plus is there. You have to do the subtraction. 15 minus 10, here we will get 5y. Which 5y? Plus y, bigger number sign is plus, equal to 155 minus 105. So here we will get 155 minus 105, it will be 50, and here y is there, 5y is there. I will take the 5 to right side, it becomes divisible. So 5 ones are 5 tens are. So y equal to how much? 10. So now we got the y value, that is 10 rupees. What is that? Charge per kilometer is 10. Now we have to find the fixed charge. What is that? X. So substitute in the first equation. Question number 1, x plus 10y. 10y means 10 into y equal to 105. So in place of y, I will write in 10. Y equal to 10. So x equal to 10 tens are 100. If you take to right side, it becomes minus. So it will be 105 minus 100. We will get here 5. So x equal to 5. So fixed charge. Fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer. Per kilometer is rupees 10. Okay. Question is not end now. Answer is not ended. Okay. Still we have to find the cost for the 25 kilometers. So cost for or charges for 25 kilometers. Okay. Fixed charge is 5 plus 25 into 10. Why? Per kilometer. Okay, so 5 plus 25 into 10, it will be 250. So total amount, how much you have to pay? You have to pay 255 rupees. You have to pay to travel the 25 kilometers. The fifth question, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So let the fraction be x and y. Let fraction be x by y. Okay. So question number 5. Okay, fifth question. So numerator is x, denominator is y. The first one, x by y becomes how much? 9 by 11. When 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, it means they are adding 2 for the x, 2 for the y. Then we will get the 9 by 11. Okay. So by this, first make the linear equation. So take here 11 to left side and y plus 2 to the right side. So they will cross multiply. So 11 into x, 11x plus 11 2s are 22 equal to 9 into y, 9y plus 9 2s are 18. Okay, so 11x, take the 9 this side, it will becomes minus, and 18 minus 22. So taking the 22 right side. So 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. Here we got one equation. Next, second equation. What they given? X and y becomes how much? 5 by 6. When they added 3 to numerator and denominator. X plus 3, y plus 3. Okay, so again cross multiply them. 6 into 6, x, 6x plus 6 3s are 18 equal to 5 into y, 5y plus 5 3s are 15. Okay, so again 6x minus 5y equal to 15 minus 18. So 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. So this is our equation number 2. Okay, so how we minus 3 came? 15 minus 18, here bigger sign is minus, 18 minus 15 is 3, bigger sign will be minus, so minus 3 it came. Now using these two equations, solve the problem. Okay, so from 1 what I will take? I will make the one condition. So 11x is there, so minus 9y I to taking to the right side, it becomes minus 4 plus 9y. Okay, x equal to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. Substitute it in, so here write it from 1, from equation number 1. Substitute x value in equation number 2. Okay, what is 2? 6 of minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. Okay, so it will be lengthy but very easy problem. So 6 into 4 minus 24 plus 6 9s are 54y divided by 11 minus 5y equal to minus 3. Okay, taking the LCM here because that side whole number is there, so it will be 5y minus by 1. Okay, taking the LCM it will be 11, so here we will get 24 plus 54y. So if I multiply with 11 it becomes minus 55y. Okay, equal to minus 3. Okay, so take the 11 to the right side. Here we will get minus 24 plus and minus, it will get minus y equal to minus 33. Okay, minus y equal to minus 33. If I take to 24 that side, it becomes plus 24. So minus y equal to, if you minus the minus 33 plus 24, what you will get here? Here you will get 13 minus 4, it will be 9. Okay, it will be minus 9. So minus minus will get cancelled. Y equal to 9. Now y equal to 9. Substitute in any one equation. So 11x minus 9 into 9 equal to minus 4. So it will be 11x, 9 9s are 81 equal to minus 4. If I take 81 to right side, it becomes 11x equal to minus 4 plus 81. So minus becomes plus. So 81 minus 4 it will be 77. So here x 11 is there. So take 11 to right side, it becomes divisible. 11 ones are 11 sevens are. So x equal to 7. So required fraction is x by y. X is 7 and y is 9. So 7 by 9 is our answer.